Hello, Tom. Look at my new birthday present.
Hello, Lisa. Is that a new smartwatch?
Yes, it is, but I do not know how to start it.
I can help you with that. It is very easy to do.
The box is very small. Where is the power button?
It is on the right side. Press it for 3 seconds.
I am pressing it now. Nothing is happening yet.
Wait a moment. The battery might be very low.
Oh, I see a small white logo now. It is waking up.
That is perfect. Now we need your smartphone too.
My phone is here. I always keep it near me.
You must turn on the Bluetooth. It is in the settings.
I am looking for the icon. Is it the blue one?
Yes, it is. Click it to make it bright blue.
Bluetooth is on. What is the next step, Tom?
You need to download an app. Scan this code on the box.
I am using my camera. The link is on the screen.
Click the link. It will take you to the store.
The app is downloading. It is very fast today.
Our office internet is very good. It saves a lot of time.
The app is open now. It asks for my name.
Type your name and age. The watch needs this data.
Why does it need my age? Is it a secret?
It helps to calculate your heart rate. It is for health.
That is very smart. I want to be more active.
This watch is a great coach. It tracks your steps too.
I hope it makes me run. I am a bit lazy.
It sends reminders to walk. You will see them soon.
The app is ready. Now it is searching for the watch.
Put the watch close to the phone. They must be friends.
I see a code on the watch. It is 4 numbers.
Type those numbers into your phone. This is for safety.
7802. I am finished typing.
Now the devices are pairing. Look at the blue line.
The line is moving fast. They are talking to each other.
Yes, they're sharing data now. It is a digital handshake.
The watch is vibrating. My wrist feels a small shake.
That means the connection is successful. You are officially connected.
Now the watch shows the time. It is exactly 10 o'clock.
It gets the time from your phone. It is very accurate.
I like the black background, but it is a bit boring.
You can change the watch face. There are many colors.
Can I put a photo of my cat? That would be nice.
Yes, you can. Go to the gallery in the app.
I am looking for a photo. Here is my cat Mittens.
Click on Upload. Now look at your wrist, Lisa.
Oh, how cute! Mittens is on my watch now.
It looks very sharp. The screen is high quality.
I am so happy. This is a great gift.
It can also show your emails. Do you want that?
Yes, please. I miss many messages during meetings.
Go to Notifications. Turn on the switch for mail.
I am turning it on. Will it vibrate for every mail?
Yes, it will. You can also turn it off later.
I will try it for one day. I like to be informed.
You can also control your music. Try to play a song.
I am pressing play on my phone. The music is loud.
Now look at the watch. You can see the song title.
I can change the volume too. This is like a remote.
It is very useful for the gym. You can leave your phone.
Look at the red light. It is under the watch.
That is the sensor. It measures your pulse right now.
It says 72. Is that a good number, Tom?
Yes, it is very normal. You are very calm today.
Sometimes I feel stressed. Can the watch help me?
Yes, it has a breathing app. It helps you relax.
How does it work? Does it talk to me?
No, it shows a circle. You follow the circle with your breath.
I am trying it now. Breathe in and breathe out.
It is very good for your heart. Use it every afternoon.
I feel better already. This watch is a good doctor.
It also tracks your sleep. Do you wear it at night?
I usually take it off. Is it safe to wear in bed?
Yes, it is safe. It shows how well you sleep.
I want to know that. I often feel tired in the morning.
The app will show a graph. You can see your deep sleep.
This is very scientific. I love all this information.
Just remember to charge it. Use the magnetic cable.
Where does it connect? I do not see a hole.
It sticks to the back. It uses magnets to stay there.
That is very easy. No wires to plug in.
It charges very quickly. 1 hour is enough for a day.
I will charge it while I take a shower. Is it waterproof?
Yes, it is waterproof, but do not take it into the ocean.
I only go to the swimming pool. Is that okay?
Yes, the pool is fine. It even counts your laps.
It is a sport expert too. I am very impressed.
You are ready to go now. The setup is complete.
Thank you so much, Tom. You made this very simple.
It was my pleasure. Enjoy your new smart life.
One more thing, Tom. How do I change the brightness?
Swipe down from the top. You will see a sun icon.
I see it now. I am moving the slider up.
Now the screen is very bright. It is good for the sun.
Can I change the language? I want to practice my Spanish.
Yes, go to System Settings, choose Language, and find Spanish.
Hola. The watch says hola now. This is very funny.
It is a great way to learn. You see new words every day.
How do I find my phone? I often lose it in my bag.
Click the phone icon on the watch. Your phone will ring.
Oh, I hear my phone. It is under my notebook.
That feature is a lifesaver. I use it every morning.
I am very happy now. The watch is part of my team.
Does the strap feel comfortable? Is it too tight?
It is a bit tight. I will move it one hole.
That is better. You should be able to move it slightly.
Now it is perfect. I like the soft silicone material.
It is good for sweat. It does not get dirty easily.
Can I buy a metal strap later for a party?
Yes, you can change them. There's a small clip on the back.
I will look for a gold one. It will look like jewelry.
Smartwatches can be very stylish. They are not just for sport.
I see a weather icon. It says it will rain today.
The watch is correct. I saw the dark clouds outside.
I will take my umbrella. Thank you for the warning, watch.
It also gives news alerts. You can stay updated at work.
I don't want too many alerts. I need to focus on my project.
You can turn on Do Not Disturb. It stops all sounds.
I will use that during my meeting. Peace and quiet is good.
You are a master of settings, Alisa. Well done. I will send you a message. Let's test the screen.
I am waiting. My wrist is ready for the shake.
I am typing it now. Have a great day, Lisa.
It vibrated. I can see your name on the watch.
Can you read the full message? Try to click on it.
Yes, I see it clearly. The text is very easy to read.
Can you reply from the watch? Look at the bottom.
I see some quick replies. Yes, no, and thanks.
You can also use your voice. Click on the microphone.
Thank you, Tom. You are the best. Did it work?
Yes, I got your message. It is very accurate.
This is like magic. I don't need my phone in my hand.
That is the best part. You can keep your phone in your bag.
I feel much more free now. My hands are empty.
It is great for walking and drinking coffee. You stay connected.
What if I get a phone call? Can I answer it?
Yes, you can talk to the watch. It has a tiny speaker.
Will everyone hear my conversation? That is a bit loud.
It is better for quick calls. Use your phone for long talks.
I understand. Hello, I'm coming is a good watch call.
Exactly. It is for short and fast communication.
I see a calendar alert now. I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
The watch is very helpful. You will never be late again.
I must prepare my notes. My boss is very strict about time.
You can set a timer too. It will count the minutes.
I am setting it for 8 minutes. I need 2 minutes to walk.
You are very organized, Lisa. The watch is a good partner.
I feel ready for the day. This technology is wonderful.
I am glad I could help. It was a fun break for me.
See you later, Tom. Thank you for your kindness.
One last tip, Lisa. Don't forget to update the software.
Does it update automatically, or do I do it?
Your phone will tell you. Just click Install at night.
Updates bring new features, right? Maybe more watch faces?
Yes, and they fix small bugs. It keeps the watch fast.
I am looking at my steps. I only have 500.
The goal is usually 10,000. You have work to do.
I will walk to the meeting room. That is a start.
And take the stairs, Lisa. It is good for your heart.
The watch is watching me now. I cannot be lazy.
It is a friendly eye on your wrist.
I like the weight of it. It feels very solid and nice.
It is made of high-quality aluminum. It's very strong.
I'm going to show it to my manager. She loves gadgets.
She will be jealous. It is a very beautiful model.
I will tell her you helped me. You are the office expert.
Oh, stop it. I just like new things.
The sun is coming out. The watch says it is 20 degrees.
That is a perfect temperature. We can eat lunch outside.
I will check my watch for the best cafe nearby.
Great idea. It can show you the map, too.
I'm leaving now. My timer is vibrating on my wrist.
Go, Lisa. Don't let the boss wait for you.
Goodbye, Tom. See you at the lunch break.
Goodbye, Lisa. Have a productive meeting.